CES 2019. Let's roll! That invitation by Canon at the CES in Vegas was right on time, as we wanted to experiment with the new version of Xangle Server and also with a bunch of new super colorful tubes. First of all, let's talk about the software. We've been running our multi-camera software solution on Raspberry Pis for years. It's been the best option for super fast file transfer and camera triggering. This is what we use in our studio in Montreal when we play with 120 cameras. However, for a smaller installation like this 24 camera kit, we were looking for a simpler setup with less electronic components. What we ended up doing is to have 4 USB hubs and a single computer to mash up everything. Our rendering time? 11 seconds. It's not bad. That includes images transfer, digital calibration, resizing, and MP4 file creation. The Raspberry Pi version was 4 seconds faster, but we could easily manage that difference by entertaining the folks in the rig. On the inside of our station, you'll find Eric, Sasha, and I, 24 cameras, a replay station, and a server. The replay station was also used to change camera setting, and the settings are synchronized across all cameras, obviously. On the outside, there's a replay TV, feed provided by the server, and 2 sharing stations, Surface Pros, on stands. The replay and preview stations are web-based, meaning we can have as many as we wish. To create these visuals, we are using only the light from the tubes. There are no external strobes and everything is by hand. We used a couple of prototype tubes from lightpaintingtubes.com, but we ended up using mostly 5 of them. The Pearl, the Alien, the Rainbow, the Jupiter, and the Red Pink. The settings of the cameras are more or less ISO 400, f5.6 and bulb mode. Each shot is about 4 seconds. We're using a wireless remote to make this very efficient. Enough talk. Let's see the results.